Good morning. How are we? Okay, so I've been up since 5 o'clock with the intention of coming out to test out the new ND filters for a beautiful sunrise. But of course, the filters weren't in my bag. I decided not to waste such a beautiful morning anyway, and I brought out my new Nikon ZF that my gorgeous husband had brought me and decided to test it out in the field. And I found this beautiful, beautiful tree that I can't wait to show you the photographs on. It has the most gorgeous texture on it with some beautiful knots and twists in it. But I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you. So this is the tree. I mean, take a look at the textures on it. Isn't it just absolutely stunning? And then when you look up further into the tree, have a look at all these beautiful twists in the branches that it's creating. I mean, isn't Mother Nature just amazing? And how lucky are we to have such beautiful specimens right here in our backyard? So yeah, that is quite a magnificent tree, don't you think? Don't you agree? Okay, so I will try again with the ND filters, and I think this time I'm actually going to take them down the beach. So that's an even earlier start for me because I'm about an hour away from the beach, give or take, depending on traffic and where I have to get to. But anyway, I hope you have a great Sunday. I'll see you again soon. Take care.